Hey, you are there in the DevOps and cloud world, then these 5 tools is going to help you a lot. If you are going to prepare for a new interview or you are looking for change, then tool number 1, Git. Git and GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket or Azure repo followed by the AWS code commit. All this going to help you to manage your source code. Number 2, any one of that in a containerization tools like a Docker or Podman, where you are going to store that in your code as a container. You are going to deploy it, which will be help you to overcome with a configurations and deployment issue. Number 3, Jenkins or Circle CI or like any other tools which will be help you for build purpose. If you have a more budget or if you are looking for more time and all, you can use that in Azure DevOps or AWS code build, code commit and all. Then number 4, you can use that in infrastructure as a tools like in Terraform or OpenTofu, which will be help you to create that in your entire infrastructures with help of other tools in few minutes. Instead of doing with a GUI or CLI, you can provision that in your entire infrastructures by the infrastructure as a tool. And other than that, you can use that in a number 5 as a configurations management tool like in Ansible or Puppet or Shift, which will be help you to, once your applications infrastructure is done, then you can deploy and manage and configure that in our applications like in OS hardening, OS patching, and all this it will be help. Okay, so the one questions earlier I was talking about the 5 tools. I'm not sure I have talked on the 6. Can you rewatch that in video and share me, is that I talk on the 5 tools or 6 tools? Thanks for watching.